Hi traders, this is Prakash Kaba here. Nifty view for I would say 9th October 2010. Well, Nifty unfolded and achieved a target. So did Bank Nifty. Now it is stretched more. It is Nifty when you look at it, it has gone up from the swing low to swing high 10 trading sessions, which is too much. And it has traveled 1116 points with 5 gaps. So it is stretched. But if it can still continue up, I can tell you that. If that happens, it can still go to 11,931. But we'll have to look for some fatigue here. Be ready for it. If it comes, fine. If it doesn't come, still fine. But we have to be ready for it. Yeah, like I was ready even today. But the fatigue didn't come until the last half an hour, 1 hour. Let us look at Nifty internals. Last 1 hour or so, the fatigue came in here. And it reached a very important level. Now, if you look at the trend line, it tells me that it has breached the trend line. So it is showing me some fatigue. The bar that is generated is a daily bar that I am talking about, is an indecisive bar. So it tells me that caution. 1. Now, if the fatigue sets in, then the first sign of weakness will be once it breaks 11,700. Let me mark it out here. 11,700. So if it breaks 11,700, then I would say that Nifty would be weak. Maybe we'll see down days in a couple of days. Now if the Nifty has to go up, then it needs to trade about 11,900. So unless it trades about 11,900, I would assume to be weak. Yes, I would assume to be weak. The problem is, where does Nifty open? That's an important thing. If it opens above 11,900, possibly we'll see some kind of shorting there. Possible. 1. It may even go up, but if it goes up, it goes to 11,931. But if it opens here and breaches 11,700, I would say that's a sign of weakness. So in this circle zone area, I would be looking to short Nifty. My mood is to short. Whether I get a chance to short or not, I don't know. Like I always say, trade what you see. So let me see what happens. As far as Nifty Bank is concerned, Nifty Bank also is an indecisive bar. It achieved a target of 23 something 818. I think yes, achieved the target. It can, I would say, it's still is possible that it can go to 23,818. I think we achieved a target of early 23,338 was the target. Yes, achieved the target. But the next technical target is 23,818 if it decides to go up, and that's all possible. But the bar, since it's generated is an indecisive bar, I would be slightly cautious. Let us look at Nifty Bank internals. When you look at the Nifty Bank internals, it tells me that there is some kind of a fatigue setting in. So let us see whether I can draw some trend line here and see how it goes. Yes, it's breached the trend line. So to my mind, unless it strays about 23,300, we must assume to be down. And if it breaks 23,000, there will be a first sign of weakness. We will see whether 22,700 or even lower. So I would be slightly cautious tomorrow. But if it goes up, I think it can go to 23,818 also. So I am open both sides. I will have to see where it opens, how it opens, and how it trades to take a trade. That's all I would say that. That's why I say keep trading and trade what you see, not what you think. Trade the markets, not the forecast. Happy trading, and yes, enjoy the ride.